guys, it's Miss Castor. Go ahead and get out your note-taking guide that I gave you on polynomial applications. This is video 12.4. Okay, number one, we just have a regular rectangle, and it tells us to find the perimeter. So the formula for perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So I have perimeter is 2 times my length, which is 21, plus 2 times my width, which is 13. So 2 times 21 is going to be 42, plus 2 times my width is 26, and so that is going to equal 68. So my perimeter is 68. When we are finding the area, we have area is equal to length times width. So area equals my length, which is 21, times width, which is 13. So when I multiply 21 times 13, I get my area is equal to 273. Now we're going to take that and apply it to this next one that has some polynomials in it. Okay, so again, my perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So I have 2 times my length, which is 3x plus 2, plus 2 times my width, which is 3x minus 4. So now I'm just going to distribute. So I have 2 times 3x gives me 6x, and then 2 times 2 gives me a positive 4. And then I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. So I have plus 6x. And then 2 times negative 4 gives me minus 8. So I'm going to combine my like terms here. So I have positive 6x and a positive 6x gives me 12x. And then I have positive 4 and negative 8 gives me a negative 4. So my perimeter equals 12x minus 4. Now for my area, again, same formula, length times width. So I have area equals my length, which is 3x plus 2, times my width, which is 3x minus 4. So whenever I'm doing this problem, there are several ways that I've taught you how to multiply polynomials. The way that I'm going to do this is double distribution. So I have 3x times 3x. That gives me 9x squared. Then I have 3x times a negative 4. And that gives me negative 12x. And then I have 2 times 3x gives me a positive 6x. And then I have 2 times negative 4 gives me a negative 8. So I'm going to combine my like terms here. So I've got negative 12x plus 6x. That gives me a negative 6x. And then I can't combine any other terms, so I just bring everything else down. So my area equals 9x squared minus 6x minus 8. For a triangle, the perimeter is just A plus B plus C. So go ahead and do this one right here on your own. Figure out what the perimeter is in terms of x. I will do the area with you. Area is 1/2 base times height, or you can write it that area is equal to base times height divided by 2. I'm going to use this second formula over here on the right. So I've got my base, which is 6x plus 2, times my height, which is this term right here. So I've got times x, and I'm going to end up dividing all of that by 2. So I have 6x times x, which is 6x squared, and then I have 2 times x, which is a positive 2x, and I'm going to divide all of that by 2. Remember that we do not divide my exponents when I'm doing this. I simply divide my coefficients. So I have 6 divided by 2 gives me a positive 3x squared. And then I have 2x divided by 2, which gives me a positive x. So my area is equal to 3x squared plus x. Number 4, again, you can do this one on your own for the perimeter. For the area, though, the formula is A equals base times height. So my base here is given to me. It's x plus 12. And then my height is 6x. So when I multiply this, I've got x times 6x gives me 6x squared. And then I've got 12 times 6x, which is a positive 72x. So my area equals 6x squared plus 72x. Go ahead and do this one right here on your own and bring that to class completed. I'll see you guys then.